Following a front-facing leak, we now have a fresh image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the phone is only partly visible in these leaks, they do validate some of the speculations we have been hearing about this flagship folding phone. Anthony shared a photo of the back, saying it looks fantastic with square corners and the larger cameras with the redesigned rings. The new ridge design surrounding the rear camera lenses, which was originally seen in an insider photo of one of the lenses a few days ago, is the most intriguing and disappointing aspect of this leak. It looks cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone that is projected to cost more than $1,500. Although the displays won't be much larger, the device in the image also appears to be wider than the existing Galaxy Z Fold variants. Samsung is allegedly holding off on making a significant display size boost for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Thin variants, which are expected to be released this year with the basic Z Fold 6. Samsung has listened to Galaxy Z Fold users at last, as shown by the release of the first hands-on image of the device. In contrast to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the next foldable phone will have a wider cover screen. The Galaxy Z Fold SIX's first complete image has now been shared by trustworthy Tipper Ice Universe. This image depicts the front of the phone and compares it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It is evident that the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen matching the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's fold screen plus one of its bezels. This fold cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to feature more sharper edges on the body and cover screen. A new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears in a photo that a source has shared. Although the leak only says that the camera module will feature a new design and doesn't provide any details about the specifications, we doubt Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Now reliable leaker Ice Universe has posted a photo that appears to show one of the rear cameras intended for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.